There's no place like this anywhere in the world, and really the vibe we get living here in Mount Eliza is very unique, with very warm and friendly vibe, and very, very well catered for growing family and children. We've had solar panels before at our previous property, and we wanted to replicate that here at the new house. And so we went and searched.
John has a large energy demand. He has a pool that he has to run. He has all the air conditioning and other appliances that he needed to run. So he needed quite a large system, so roughly a 25 kilowatt system is what we put there. We've utilised most of his roof space there, and he had quite a lot of roof space as well to use. It was put on 2 buildings with different orientations, so he's very happy, and we're very happy because he was convinced that quality was the way to go.
I researched plenty of solar panels online and through also reading and talking to friends. And having looked at the industry here in Australia, there were a lot of junk offers and very inferior products flooded in the market. And when I looked at the LG panels and their reliability, their superior product quality, and the warranty period that it provided, it was a natural choice for me to gravitate towards a high quality system that could last, long time.
I think there's more and more customers going for quality. There's more information in the marketplace about shoddy installations and shoddy product. What they're looking for is something that's going to be reliable, have good warranties, be installed by good installers. It's not going to be a safety risk as well.
I came across G-Store through a recommendation from the LG website. LG had authorized installers that were listed on their website. And then I rang and got quotes, and G-Store was the most prompt and exact on their promise of delivery dates, installation services, and more comprehensive package from planning right to after-sales service.
John really is a perfect client. He likes quality products, he sees the value in quality products, and he was just looking for a trusted dealer to partner with.
So our experience after solar installation has been quite a significant saving on a monthly energy consumption, and we did spend a little bit more than what's out there, but I would highly recommend it. I think it's worth the investment. It really is a win-win for me in terms of taking up solar energy, living environmentally friendly, and leaving as little carbon footprint as I can, do my bit for the planet.